Where have we parked today? Ooh, Scar!
Here we are at the transportation centre again. Decision time is, do we go ferry boat or do we go monorail? And as there is boating and it is a magical way of getting to Disney, the Magic Kingdom, I think we're going to do the ferry boat. Matthew's there, causing trouble at the back. Lauren's here in a Beauty and the Beast top, very excited about going now having dinner with Beauty and the Beast. I'm just hungry. I'll have dinner with anybody. The boat's just leaving, so we're going to catch the monorail. I like the monorail, get there faster. When I say it's warm, absolutely stifling warm. 100 degrees. What the real feel is, I've no idea. But walking around in this is no fun all day long. It's now 4 o'clock, I'm ready for our meal. But if you've been in all day, warm. August is really, really warm. The humidity is really, really high. We spent all morning chilling out around the pools. It was really good, nice and relaxing before we hit the parks about 4 o'clock to have some fun.
There you go.
Cheers,
Sir,
thank you.
my pleasure. How's your day going?
Nice,
A little hot, right?
Yeah.
Happy ever after. Was I able to picture? Welcome to the castle. So this is the first room, which is one of the 3 rooms we have. This is called the Grand Ballroom. This is where Belle and Beast had the first dance. This is where they found out. This is the study. Behind the curtains, should the master join us later on, he's taking a nap right now. He's gonna be behind the curtains. That'll be your last stop before you exit the castle. After you're done and everything, make sure you go check out the other rooms if you like. Before you leave, you take pictures with him here, okay? Our dessert card. I'll bring you one at the end of your meal, of course. Try the great stuff. It's delicious. If you don't believe me, ask your dish.
What do you think, Laura?
It's brilliant.
To the right hand side is the Rose Gallery, featuring the 9-feet tall music box that was given to Belle by Maurice during the wedding. It's a duplicate from that. And then the artwork on the wall is original from the first one. So we give you a feel like you are inside the movie. So the Grand Ballroom overlooking the balcony, overlooking the mountains and the snow. There is the West Wing, featuring the Enchanted Rose. Oh, we're gonna be dining over here. Questions on the menu right away?
So, that's a yes. Yes. No. So, why you have to have a...
We're going to see the Beast, Lauren. It's the Beast.
Look at Daddy. Okay, here we go, sweetheart. Perfect.
Go on, Matthew. The Be Our Guest restaurant was amazing. Lauren absolutely loved it. She loved the setting, she loved the food, she loved meeting the Beast. We had an amazing time, and I got a selfie with the Beast. What more could you want? The question is which is which. I'll let you decide. Anyway, we had a great time and we will be going back. True enough. Let's go, you two. Well. Oh, the space was nothing.
There are some who say that this steam train is a little old-fashioned, but for me, it's the only way to travel. Of course, there are those who prefer to hit the highway, and on the right, you just might spot some pint-sized drivers taking their first spin behind the wheel of the car. In Tomorrowland, where you might board a people mover, zip around on the Astro Orbiter, or book a flight for the next leg of our journey. This is Main Street Station, Main Street, USA.
For your presentation, please remain seated until we come to a pause. Please stop, and I have given orders all clear. But students, please remain fully seated as we approach Main Street Station.
Aboard, our next stop is Main Street
That is your
Station.
trip on the Walt Disney World Railroad. All the way around.
Not stand right to the train until we come to a full and complete
Perfect
stop.
timing
The engineer
for
up front will give us
Goofy's
one
roller
single
coaster.
whistle whenever they have that brake on, and then we'll give you the other two magical words of all clear once it's finally clear.
There's the Beast Castle. There's a beautiful skyline behind it, of blue skies and clouds. But it looks lovely, look at that. Beautiful.
That right there is an African bull elephant. You just want to tell that it's an African elephant, right? We're in Africa. Yeah. Fun fact, you may not know these are the fastest land animals here in the jungle. They can reach speeds of 35 miles per hour and even jump 10 feet in the air. It's just the craziest thing I know. Oh, I would like to take a quick moment to point out that sandstone rock formation.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Are you nervous?
Yeah.
Scary now.
I'm afraid you're a bit too late. Laughing place? We've got your laughing place right up here.
Oh.
So you're looking for a laughing place, eh? We'll show you.
After the fireworks, quick dash onto Splash Mountain, then a quick dash over to Big Thunder Mountain, and then we're going to go for a ride shoulder. Good time, Lauren?
Yeah.
Good time, Mummy? Good fireworks? Excellent. Ready, Matthew? Is it coming? Get ready. Get ready, Lauren. Get ready, Matthew. Come in. That brings us to the end of our video for today. We had loads of things done today. We stopped around the pool this morning just chilling out. Then we came to Disney at 4 o'clock when it cooled down a little bit. We went to Be Guest restaurant, met the Beast. Amazing atmosphere in that place. We watched Happily Ever After. We love them fireworks. We're going to see them so many times over the next 2 weeks. We love Wishes. Happily Ever After takes to the next level. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a follow on Twitter and Instagram at Lots of Hailwood. And also hit the subscribe button on YouTube. Cheers. If you've got any questions or you'd like to ask the Hailwood family, drop us a note on Twitter at Lots of Hailwood, or on Instagram or on the YouTube videos. We'll give you a good honest answer about our holiday, about our family, about taking a special needs child on holiday. Anything at all, drop us a note and we will get back to you. Cheers.